This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Hi guys, today we are trying to put this magic tape in the tub because previously I put the caulking here, and as you can see it started the mildew molding and mold started growing there, so it didn't do a good job. I mean, I actually picked one of the best caulkings out there, but even they didn't do that such a good job. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works out. Yeah, I mean, first thing to do is we gotta actually clean this properly. We want to make sure there is. We want to first get rid of all the old stuff. The surface needs to be pristine for it to stick to it. So we need to make sure. What we're gonna do is first we're gonna scrape off everything, and then we're gonna clean it with isopropyl alcohol or hydrogen peroxide. And once it's cleaned, we're going to dry it, and then we're going to put the tape on there. All right, so we're going to use we scraped off all the caulking that was there previously with all the mold on it, and we are cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. And if you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can use hydrogen peroxide. So just take a tissue, just put it on there, just clean it, just so that if there's any living thing on there, bacteria and stuff like that, they'll get wiped out. So just do that, clean it, and give it a minute or two, and it just dries quickly. Wipe it with another dry towel. And you got a tape here on this side, back side. You pull the tape off, and the first thing we need to actually do is we need to measure how much we need to cut. Alright, so we need to crease it first, just bend it like that, and where we need to start. Mine's a little more complicated where I got these bends, but most of the time people have just this top straight, so it's easy to do. Mine's a little complicated. You definitely need a couple of hands to do this. One person might be a little difficult. So I'm going to crease it. I'm going to measure it because I want to have a little bit of overlap with what's already there. So I'm just going to cut it like right here. Alright, so once the piece is cut, then because I got bends, I got these bends here, so overlaps right here. So I'm not going to cut the whole thing, I'm just going to cut just the bottom portion of it. Like that. Alright, so in the corner we're overlapping it. We're going to cut it off once we're ready to glue it, but at present we have the piece ready, so we're going to start taking out the tape from this angle. While pressing with one finger on one side, keep pulling the tape so that the glue is holding it in place. Okay, this corner is done. Okay, alright, we're doing the middle portion here, and make sure you have a little bit of overlap because ours is not straight. I got to do a little bit of overlap. Okay, we're going to cut it up to here like that. This is how we're going to put it. Alright, we got a little bit more to go, and we're good. Alright, we did the whole top, and so let's see how long this lasts. It's not perfect, but it seems to work. We'll see. Let's see how long this thing is gonna last. But I'm not 100% sure. I've never used this one before, so we'll see how long this lasts. Thank you for watching.